2x minus 5. So we're going to put a point at -1, -7, and then 0, -5, and then 1, -3. Go ahead and connect that with a straight line. Hopefully yours is way straighter than mine. All right, and now we're going to flip our table. So all of these numbers will go here. And then all of these numbers will go here. And let's graph it again. So now we have -7, -1, -5, 0, and -3, 1. All right, so this is my inverse, so I'm going to put that inverse notation next to it. And then this is the original. All right, any questions about our bill work? So let's go out to our notes. We only have a couple questions left to do. Just 2, actually. And then you, yeah, we don't have much. So let's look at page 12. Much, we don't have much. So we only have 2 questions on page 12, and then we'll do 1 question on, well, actually there. We'll just do those 2 questions, and then you can use it the rest of the time to work on your exit ticket. So steps when it's an equation. First step, this is the same as y equals -7x minus 10. Then you flip your x and y. So you're going to have x equals -7y minus 10. So I just rewrote it. Instead of f of x, I put a y. And then I switched my variables. So now let's solve it. So first thing I'm going to do is the opposite of subtracting 10, which is adding 10. And then to get rid of the -7, what do you think I'm going to do? Divide it. Okay, so I wrote kind of big, so I'm going to write my answer under it. But it would be the inverse of f of x is x plus 10 divided by -7. That would be your answer that you would write on the line. All right, let's do the same thing. Instead of f of x, you have y equals x minus 7 over 5. Let's switch our x and y. So what do you think I'm going to do first? Because this one is being divided by 5. So I got to get rid of that first. So the opposite of dividing by 5 would be to multiply by 5 on both sides. So 5x equals y minus 7. And now to get rid of the -7, we're simply going to add 7. So I have 5x plus 7 equals y. So when I write that in inverse notation, it would be f inverse of x is 5x plus 7. So if you realize the opposite actions are happening. When you look at the original, we were subtracting 7 and dividing by 5. The inverse, you're adding 7 and multiplying by 5. So can everybody take out homework 2? They're over there. I don't know. I think I might have passed it out Monday. Look in there. It's over there somewhere though. Okay, so homework 2 is due tomorrow, but you should be able to finish it up today. So we did 3 and 4. So let's go ahead. I'm going to do, so for number 5, I'm going to just set it up for you. This is just like the one we just did. So you're going to multiply by 3 and add 4. So I'll let y'all finish that one out by yourself. This one is just like the example we just finished. However, this one is a little different. X equals 1/4 y plus 10. So in order to get rid of the 4, the 1/4, we're going to multiply everything by 4. Which will give me 4x equals y plus 40. And then you subtract the 40. 4x minus 40 equals y. And that would be your inverse function.